for thought. Let's talk about the menstrual cycle. Yes, the woman's menstrual, you see. The woman's menstrual cycle is the cycle of life and death within itself. A woman's cycle filters each and every month of the harmful toxins within a body within itself. It purifies the healthy red blood cells where you are able to ovulate healthy red blood cells to bring forth a healthy seed of life. That means when the blood is purified, you can reproduce at a high rate, a high speed. And the ones that are not able to have children, even though they are able to have a menstrual cycle, are the most caring, giving, loving individuals. And they are called armor bearers for the women who do have offsprings and are not ready to have a child. Then you'll have the bearing woman who will come and take a part of that lineage of that child and raise it up to its best statute that they know how. You see, they are called gatekeepers because even though they can't reproduce a child, but they are the mothers of the children today. Now back to the cycle for the menstrual. That is the life or death within itself. The woman's cycle is the life because she is able to bring forth another life through her womb. And that womb is connected to the vine, which is the umbilical cord, where all that child's nutrients and substance will come from. And after that child is born and detached from the mother's womb, which is called the umbilical cord. So now that child is its own being within itself, just like the child was within itself in the beginning. So now that the child is disconnected from the mother's womb, he is his own. And that cycle of life is called a birth certificate. It is the record of that soul child that is being born into this death state. So once you understand life and death is within itself, it doesn't separate. We only know as being human species, we are here to experience life and then we die, knowing that the real life was always within itself. From the beginning of time, like when you was in your mother's womb, you was in your purest life state. And now that you are born into this death state, experiencing life through itself, you see the whole picture within. You can never be disconnected. You could be divided, but you always will be one within. And that is food for thought and something for you to think about.